In this video, we'll explore how to expand expressions with two brackets. When we expand two brackets, all terms inside the first bracket need to be multiplied by all terms inside the second bracket. We then add any like terms to get the final expanded expression. So first we multiply x by x, which gives us x squared. Then we multiply x by 6, which gives us 6x. Next, we multiply 2 by x, which is 2x. Then we multiply 2 by 6, which gives us 12. After expanding the brackets, the expression we have is x squared plus 6x plus 2x plus 12. To simplify, we look for like terms to combine. In this case, 6x and 2x are like terms because they both contain the variable x. Adding them together, we get 8x. So the simplified expression becomes x squared plus 8x plus 12. I'm going to expand and simplify 6 different examples now. If you'd like to have a go at expanding these yourself before we go through them, pause the video and press play when you're ready. Here's the first example. So first we multiply y by y, which gives us y squared. Then we multiply y by 5, which gives us 5y. Now we multiply 3 by y, which gives us 3y. Then we multiply 3 by 5, which gives us 15. Now we need to simplify by combining like terms. 5y and 3y are like terms, so we can add them together to get 8y. So the simplified expression becomes y squared add 8y add 15. Here's the second example. First, we multiply 2a by a, which gives us 2a squared. Then we multiply 2a by 3, which gives us 6a. Now we multiply 1 by a, which gives us 1a, which can just be represented as a. Then we multiply 1 by 3, which gives us 3. Now we need to simplify by combining like terms. 6a and a are like terms, so we can add them together to get 7a. So the simplified expression becomes 2a squared add 7a add 3. Here's the next example. First, we multiply 3b by b, which gives us 3b squared. Then we multiply 3b by 1, which gives us 3b. Now we multiply 4 by b, which gives us 4b. Then we multiply 4 by 1, which is 4. Now we need to simplify by combining like terms. 3b and 4b are like terms, so we can add them together to make 7b. So the simplified expression becomes 3b squared add 7b add 4. Here's another example. First, we multiply 5n by 2n, which gives us 10n squared. Then we multiply 5n by 4, which gives us 20n. Now we multiply minus 2 by 2n, which gives us minus 4n. Then we multiply minus 2 by 4, which gives us minus 8. Now we need to simplify by combining like terms. 20n and minus 4n are like terms. So 20n take away 4n is 16n. So the simplified expression becomes 10n squared, add 16n, subtract 8. In this example, we have w take away 7 squared. Though it appears as a single set of brackets, squaring a term means multiplying it by itself. So this expression expands to w take away 7 multiplied by w take away 7. First, we multiply w by w, which is w squared. Then we multiply w by minus 7, which is minus 7w. Now we multiply minus 7 by w, which is minus 7w. Then we multiply minus 7 by minus 7. Remember, two negatives multiply to make a positive, so this gives us 49. Now we need to simplify by combining like terms. Minus 7w and minus 7w are like terms. Minus 7w take away 7w is minus 14w. So the simplified expression becomes w squared, subtract 14w, add 49. In this example, we have d add 5 squared. So this expression expands to d add 5 multiplied by d add 5. First, we multiply d by d, which gives us d squared. Then we multiply d by 5, which gives us 5d. Now we multiply 5 by d, which is 5d. Then we multiply 5 by 5, which gives us 25. Now we need to simplify by combining like terms. 5d and 5d are like terms, so we can add them together to make 10d. So the simplified expression becomes d squared, add 10d, add 25. Now it's your turn. Let's put your skills to the test with a challenge. Here is an expression. Your task is to expand this expression. Remember, multiply each term in the first bracket by each term in the second bracket, and then add any like terms to simplify your expression. Let me know your answer in the comment section.